Hello guys, welcome again. It's your boy Johnini, and today we're doing Michael Jackson Beat It. So let's go straight into it. We're gonna do 4 sections.
Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel.
We do easy dance tutorial of popular dance moves and viral dances.
And we post a video every week. Now back to the tutorial.
So let's go section 1. This is the preview. It goes like boom, 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 boom. Let's break it down. You wanna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the same time, you're going forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Let's try together. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm still going forward with my right, okay, and snapping with the right. So again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's move on. Section 2. This is the preview. So, let's go. Boom, 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 boom. Sha, boom, boom, sha. All right. Let's break it down. So, you ended up here. Basically, you want to bring back your right leg, okay? At the same time, you're going to punch to the sky with your right hand. So it goes like this, 1, okay? So, go punch, and then switch left. You can move your upper body a little bit from side to side. So it goes right, left. And then you're going to repeat this movement, but at the same time, you're going to open right, bring it back, open left. Okay? Let's try that one more time. Slow. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes. From here, I'm going to bring back my left. Boom, open, right. So it's like and step. Okay, so it goes left, right. At the same time, I'm gonna go left, right. Open my hands here and bring it back, going backwards. Zoom. Yes. One more time. Boom, boom, zoom. Here, you just spread them like out. Bring in, out, bring in. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. The legs are just doing and boom, boom, ka, boom, boom, ka. And you did 2 times. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay, let's write the whole section 2 together. Slow down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. 6 and 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay, let's move on to section 3. This is your preview. It goes like boom ka, shum, boom ka, shum, pa, pa, Yeah. Let's break it down. I love this part. So you want to do a boom, boom, across. Step back with your left, cross front with your right. So left, right. Again, 7 and 8. Left, right. And then you turn. From here, you just repeat the movement. Left, right, turn. Okay, let's try again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, turn. Left, right, turn. The hands are just gonna go extend, bring down, extend, bring down. And you're gonna extend every time you step with your right. So let's try together. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. So after this, I'm gonna step back with my left leg, boom, and then my right leg, boom. Notice I turn my upper body side to side. You can add an accent with your hands, going punch, punch. Okay, so let's try that, starting with the left. 6, 7, 8, left, right. Yes, again. 6, 7, 8, left, right. And here you just hit a sit down 2 times, sit. Okay, bam, bam. So boom, boom, ta-ta. All right? So let's try the whole section 3 together. And 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time. 6, 7, and slow. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's move to the last section, section 4, and this is your preview. Boom, 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 boom. Yes, sir. So let's break it down, section 4. So after the, basically you're gonna step on your right and make a body roll and wave with your hands up in the sky. Boom, that's your 1. So 1, then you're gonna move left, right, you repeat. All right, let's try again. 6, 7, 8, 1, boom, 2. Yes, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. That's the count. Again, 6, 7, and slow. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay, so basically I'm gonna go right, left, right to repeat. All right, then you're gonna end up with a little groove up on your right and basically hit with your hips, but do it your way. At the same time, you throw the dice on the table. So sa, using the right hand for count 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's try again. Everything from section 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. So let's try all 4 sections together from the start. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe we try a little bit faster. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8.
Thanks for watching our video till the end.
I hope you like it. Don't hesitate to leave a comment.
And please like and subscribe.
Bye.